Did you know there's a way to add a little subscribe button to every single one of your YouTube videos and all at once without editing a single video? It's called a watermark, and most beginners don't know it exists. Once you set it up, it automatically appears on every video on your channel, past videos, future videos. It just sits quietly at the bottom right corner of the screen. And when someone hovers over it or taps it, they can subscribe to your channel right then and there without ever leaving the video. It takes about 5 minutes to set up. Let me show you exactly how. Before we go into YouTube Studio, we need a small image to use as the watermark. If you already have one, a logo or a subscribe button image, you can skip this part. If you don't, I'll show you how to make one for free in Canva right now. Go to canva.com and sign in. And once you're in, instead of choosing one of the ready-made templates, we're going to create a custom size. Click the purple Create a Design button, then click Custom Size. Type 100 in the width box, type 100 in the height box. Make sure it says pixels, then click on New Design. You'll see a small square canvas. That's your watermark. Now we need to put a YouTube subscribe button on it. On the left side panel, click Elements. In the search bar, type YouTube subscribe and hit enter. You'll see several options. Look for a simple, clean subscribe button, ideally one that looks like the red YouTube subscribe button. Resize it to fit the square by dragging the corners. Center it. Keep it clean and simple. This is going to be very small on screen, so less is more. Once you're happy with it, click share in the top right corner, then download. Keep the file as PNG. Click the purple download button. Your watermark image will save to your downloads folder. Move it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. Now let's go put it on your channel. Open your browser and go to YouTube Studio and sign in if you need to. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Click Customization. This opens your channel customization page. Now scroll down. You're looking for a section called Video Watermark. It's near the bottom of the page. Click the Upload button. Find the watermark image you just downloaded from Canva and select it. Once it uploads, you'll see a preview of how it looks. YouTube will also ask when you want the watermark to appear during the video. You have 3 options: at the end of the video, for a custom time you choose, or for the entire video duration. I recommend selecting entire video. That way it's visible the whole time someone is watching and gives them the most chances to click it and subscribe. Then click Publish in the top right corner to save your changes. That's it. Your subscribe watermark is now live on every video on your channel. Past videos, present videos, future videos, all of them. Go check one of your videos right now and you'll see it sitting quietly in the bottom right corner, waiting for someone to click it. It's one of those small things that takes 5 minutes to set up, then just works for you in the background forever. If this helped you, drop a comment below. And if there's another small YouTube or tech thing you've been trying to figure out, tell me. That's probably my next video. See you in the next one.